Welcome to Kidszoon TV. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.
In this video, the top 10 tallest animals in the world, listed by their average height. Let's start the video and learn. Giraffes are the tallest animal in the world, with males reaching up to 18 feet 5.5 meters in height, distinguished by their long necks and legs. Male giraffes can reach up to 18 feet 5.5 meters, while females are slightly shorter, typically around 14 feet 4.3 meters. The African elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, standing about 10 to 13 feet 3 to 4 meters tall at the shoulder. Adult male African elephants can stand up to 10 to 13 feet 3 to 4 meters tall at the shoulder and weigh between 4,500 to 6,800 kilograms, 10,000 to 15,000 pounds. Females are generally smaller. Siberian tiger is largest cat species, with males reaching up to 3.3 feet 1 meter at the shoulder. The Siberian tiger, also known as the Amur tiger, is the largest tiger subspecies and one of the most iconic and endangered big cats. Adult males can weigh between 400 to 700 pounds, 180 to 320 kilograms, and measure up to 10.5 feet 3.3 meters in length, including the tail. Females are smaller, typically weighing 220 to 400 pounds, 100 to 180 kilograms. Grizzly bears, one of the tallest bears, standing about 8 feet 2.4 meters on their hind legs. Grizzly bears are a subspecies of the brown bear and are known for their strength and adaptability. Adult male grizzly bears can weigh between 400 to 790 pounds, 180 to 360 kilograms, while females typically weigh between 290 to 400 pounds, 130 to 180 kilograms. They can stand about 3.3 and 4.9 feet 1 and 1.5 meters tall at the shoulder and up to 8 feet 2.4 meters tall when standing on their hind legs. The ostrich, tallest bird, standing up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall, known for its impressive speed and distinctive appearance. Adult ostriches can reach up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, in height and weigh between 220 to 350 pounds, 100 to 160 kilograms. The moose, tallest deer species, with males standing about 6.5 feet, 2 meters, tall at the shoulder. Moose, also known as elk in Eurasia, is the largest and tallest species of the deer family. Adult male moose, bulls, can stand about 6 to 7 feet, 1.8 to 2.1 meters, tall at the shoulder and weigh between 800 to 1,600 pounds, 360 to 725 kilograms. Females, cows, are smaller, typically weighing 600 to 800 pounds, 270 to 360 kilograms. The brown bear is one of the most widely distributed bear species in the world, known for its size, strength, and adaptability. Another tall bear species, standing about 8 feet, 2.4 meters, on their hind legs. Brown bears vary significantly in size depending on their location and diet. Adult males typically weigh between 136 to 390 kilograms, though some can exceed 680 kilograms. They can stand about 3 to 5 feet 0.9 to 1.5 meters tall at the shoulder and up to 8 feet 2.4 meters tall when standing on their hind legs. The Cape buffalo, also known as the African buffalo, is one of the most formidable and iconic animals of the African savannas. Adult Cape buffalo can stand about 4 to 5.6 feet 1.2 to 1.7 meters tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 1,100 to 2,200 pounds, 500 to 1,000 kilograms. Males are generally larger than females. American bison, the largest land animal in North America, standing about 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall at the shoulder. American bison, also known as the American buffalo, is a significant and iconic species native to North America. Adult male bison, known as bulls, can stand about 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall at the shoulder and weigh between 1,000 to 2,200 pounds, 450 to 1,000 kilograms. Females, or cows, are smaller, typically weighing between 900 to 1,100 pounds, 400 to 500 kilograms. Camels can stand up to 7 feet, 2.1 meters, tall at the shoulder. Camels are large, even-toed ungulates known for their distinctive humps and ability to survive in harsh desert environments. Typically stand about 6 to 7 feet, 1.8 to 2.1 meters, tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 880 to 1,320 pounds, 400 to 600 kilograms.